with different inscriptions on banners. Angry youths from Itu local government area of Akwa Ibom State mounted a roadblock on the Ikorakpanitam axis of the Calabar-Itu highway, with motorists unable to continue their journey. The youth president of Itu, Ubong Akpan, said they were tired of the deplorable condition of the road, which was constructed in 1972, and demanded answers to questions on the project.
We want to know who is the actual contractor that this road is awarded to. Then we can now follow up from the contractors to the implementation of this road. We will not leave this road. We promise the federal government we are not going to leave this road until we hear from any of them. There is no amount of intimidation or harassment by any security agent that will make us to leave this road. By next year, by this time, if this road is not constructed or completed up to 50%, we will make sure that we will shut down this road completely.
The youth leader also demanded answers from their representatives in government.
We are expecting to hear from the federal government. We will not leave this road until we have a representative from the federal government to speak to us. Because they will not use this road in 2023 to do another campaign slogan. This road will not form another campaign slogan.
The paramount ruler of Itu, Dr. Edenyang, who couldn't drive through on his way to the swearing-in of some paramount rulers in Uyo, the state capital, and commuters gave their support to the action of the youth.
This road generates billions of naira every day to this very country, but nobody cares about it. People that lose their lives here, so I think it is enough. Let federal government pay attention to the protests of this very youth.
So we are like nonsense in this very country. So if they want travel now, they will use flight and travel. We would work out for ground, not the free travel. And look at people going for their business. All of them are here, queuing for hold up. And this very community are telling us that they can never open this road.
It has been a long-standing road. It has been like this for a decade. Please, Buhari, do something for us.
People have a lot of places to go. They have a lot of many challenges to face. Even no matter whether government is taking care of them or not, they are still struggling their power. But let us walk the road and let the road be okay for them to go, so that they can even forget about anything they do.